If you're seeing the Todoist error that says project not found, don't worry. This usually happens when a project was renamed, moved, or restored on your mobile app, but your web browser is still holding on to an old session or an outdated project link. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, open the Todoist web app in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use Todoist on multiple devices or with more than one email address. Once the web app loads, look to the top left corner and click your avatar profile icon. From the menu that appears, select the sync option. This forces Todoist to pull the latest project data directly from the server and refresh your browser session. In many cases, that alone fixes the project not found error because the browser finally sees the current version of your workspace. Now, if you're getting this error by clicking a bookmark, a saved browser history link, or even a link from an email notification, the issue may be that the URL is pointing to an old project ID. Todoist project links can become outdated if the project was changed in the background. In that case, click My Projects in the left sidebar. This makes Todoist reload your current active project list and directory structure. Then click the project name directly from the sidebar. This gives you a fresh active URL that should work properly in the browser. Once you confirm the new link works, replace any old bookmarks with this updated one so you don't run into the same error again later. If the issue still isn't fixed, the next thing to try is opening Todoist in an incognito or private window. Go to app.todoist.com in that private window and see whether the project loads normally. If it works there, that tells you the problem is likely caused by browser cache, stored cookies, or conflicting session tokens in your regular browser profile. At that point, go back to your normal browser window, log out of Todoist completely, and then log back in. This clears out old tracking data and forces a clean session to load. If you want the fastest approach, use this order. First sync the app, then open My Projects, then test the link in Incognito, and finally log out and back in if needed. Most Todoist project not found errors are caused by one of those 4 issues, and one of those steps usually resolves it immediately. So to recap, if Todoist says project not found, it usually means your browser is out of sync, your link is outdated, or your session data needs a refresh. Use the sync button, open the project from My Projects, test in a private window, and re-log in if necessary. That should get your project visible again without losing any of your work. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Todoist tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help fixing another Todoist error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.